Students, in this video we are going to see about characteristics of modules. We are given 5 important desirable characteristics of a module. The first one is modules contain instructions, processing logic and data. See an example. In this example we are having 3 different modules. Each module we are having set of instruction. Instruction means set of commands. We are instructing the system to do some operation. Enter 2 number, this is one instruction, and getting 2 numbers, another instruction. Like this we are having set of instructions. Then we are having some processing logic. It is doing some process. For example, here sum is equal to a plus b. It is doing addition operation. And we are having some data. Here we are having a and b, 2 data. So each module we are having set of instruction, processing logic and data. Next, second point, modules can be separately compiled and stored in a library. For each module we can do it separately and store it as a library files. That library files we can use it in any of the program. Just I'll show a demo. Now I open Python IDLE editor and show the demo. Here already I given the function name with the student and given some information related to student. Here my function name is student, function defined with the keyword def and ends with the colon. Here I given 4 different information related to the function. First one is student name, second register number, third degree and fourth one is average mark. Here 4 different information given under the function student. Now I am going to save this file save as. Already I have saved in the name of n. Now I am going to give another name, save as. My file name is yum and save. Now I am going to import the file yum in another file. For that I am going to open a new file. Here I am going to import the file yum. So import yum. From that file I am going to access the function student. So yum dot student of. Yum dot student of. Now we can save and execute the program. Say the file is here mn. Now execute the module, run the module. We get already existing information. So whatever information already we are given in the module student, all those things displayed here. Let's see another example. To display Fibonacci series up to n, here my function name is fib. Here first number 0 assume to a and second number 1 assume to b. Third number will be the addition of first 2 numbers. Like that fourth number will be the addition of second and third number. Next, this loop will be executed until the condition b less than n. Next, we are going to print all these Fibonacci series numbers. First, I have to save the file. Then run this module, run module. Then we can import the file, import AAA. First, we have done in Python IDLE editor. That same thing we can do it in Python interpreter also. So first import AAA. Now I am doing in Python interpreter. Then by using that file name, we can access the function fibof. Fibof, for what number we have to find Fibonacci series. We are given 1000. It is going to display the Fibonacci series up to 1000. Like this, you can use any number to find Fibonacci series. Like this, we can find for 10,000 also. Like this, we can create any number of modules and import it in any number of files based on our need. Next, third point, modules can be included in a program. Already we have created 2 modules. First one student module, second one is fib module. So like that we can create any number of modules and include it in any of the program also. Next, fourth point, module segments can be used by invoking a name and some parameters. We know each module, we are having module name. Here divide is a module, add is a module name, sub is another module name. Each module we are having some parameters also. we can invoke this module by using this module name and its parameters. It is given here, module segments can be used by invoking a name and some parameters. Next point, module segments can be used by other modules. One module segment can be used by another modules also. Okay, these are the important desirable characteristics of module. Thank you, students.